Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use iPhone to scan document. To use iPhone scan documents, we have two best methods for you. First method is using the Notes app. Launch the Notes app on your iPhone. Start a new note or open an existing one. But for now, I'm going to start creating new by tapping the pencil icon in the bottom right corner. Now, access the camera, tap on the clip, and choose Scan Document. Position your document in view of the camera. The app will automatically detect the edges and capture the scan. You can also manually take the photo by tapping the shutter button. Repeat for additional pages if there's any. Now tap Done and tap Save when you are finished. Last method, using the Files app. On the Files app, tap the three-dot menu at the top right corner and choose Scan Documents. Place your document on a flat surface and align it within the camera frame. The app will automatically capture the document or let you manually capture it by tapping the shutter button. Now tap Done and tap Save on the bottom right. Then choose a location to save the scanned document within the Files app, or share it via email or messaging apps. Once you chose, tap on Save. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.